So I have my hard drive in here, then I have some 32 gigabytes of RAM over there. I got my motherboard. This is day one of me trying to build my PC. This is a Asus ROG Strix B55 0F gaming with a Wi-Fi. This is the motherboard I'm going to be using. Here we have her. Beautiful, I guess. I don't know anything about computers. In this thing came little standoff screws, which I guess are for this and this. I don't know what they're called. Then some tweezers. If you don't get that joke, you have no life. Then it came with this, whatever this is. It came with these, whatever these are. And finally came with that little patch, thermal something, I guess. I haven't read the manual. I'm just going off by looks. And here I got the RAM slots. Only this side opens. These don't. I'm going to insert the RAM right now. This is the RAM I'm using. It's going to be 2 kits of 16 gigabytes, 8 in each. So 16, 32 gigabytes in total. Going to install these real quick. So teeth are on this side, which means that this should be going in like that. Because apparently, put it any other way, that teeth is going to end up somewhere over here, and that's not good, or something. Then just use brute force, just slam it down until it closes by itself, or not. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing. That seems okay. As far as I could tell, that went in pretty easy. They're not moving. These didn't clasp down or click down. I just put them up like this, and that seems to be holding them down, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how often I have to specify this, but I have a 4 terabyte hard drive in there, and I have a Gen 5 6, or it's either 6 core with 12 thread, something like that, CPU from Ryzen coming in. I am waiting for a GeForce 380 12 gig graphics card, and I'm going to be using, I forget the storage, the thing that goes in there, what it's called. I'm going to be using something for that. The case is coming in tomorrow, and so yeah, stay tuned for my PC build.